Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to add your Mastercard to Apple Wallet. If you're an iPhone user, this feature makes payments a breeze, whether you're tapping to pay at a store or splitting bills with friends. It's quick, secure, and can save you time at checkout. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. You can check this by going to Settings, General, Software Update. Once you're all set, open the Wallet app. It's that little wallet icon on your home screen, the one that looks like a credit card. Now, tap on the plus sign, plus, in the upper right corner. This is your gateway to adding new cards. From there, select debit or credit card. Next, you'll have two options. You can either scan your card using your iPhone's camera or manually enter the details. If you're scanning, just position your Mastercard under the camera frame, and it'll pull the info automatically. If you prefer manual entry, go ahead and type in your card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Apple will then verify your card with your bank. This might involve a quick text message or an email with a verification code. Just follow the prompts to confirm. Once that's done, your Mastercard will be added to your wallet. You can even set it as your default card for easier use. And that's it, you're all set to make contactless payments. Remember, not all banks support this yet, so if you run into issues, double-check with your card issuer. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.